guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Madison. Thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing, and this is going to be something new for my channel, and these are Pop in a Box. So pretty much what that is a monthly Pop Funko subscription service. I will leave the link in the description box below if you guys wanted to sign up, and that also gets you some money off. So basically, it's a monthly subscription service, and you can choose anywhere between 1, 2, 3, 6, and 12 Funko Pops a month. You go on, you create your profile, and then pretty much what you do is you go through the entire website and you thumbsing up or thumbsing down certain pops that you want or you don't want. And you can also click the same section where you thumbs up and thumbs down. There's a little like trophy, and you could say that you already have that in your collection. So I pretty much went through the entire website, and I think they have 7,000 pops. And I pretty much went through the entire thing and thumbs up everything that I wanted and thumbs down everything that I didn't want. I am a particular person when collecting pops. I only collect certain things. So whether it be Alice in Wonderland, Nightmare Before Christmas, The Crimes of Grindelwald, Fantastic Beasts, Riverdale, Wreck-It Ralph, stuff like that. So I thumbs up everything that I wanted and then thumbs down everything I didn't. So I'm hoping that in this box I have something that I thumbs up. I'm definitely gonna let you guys know what it was. And then also they have a thing right now, if you sign up you do get a Funko Pop for free, and it's out of a drop down menu. So one of these I do know what it is, and the other one is something that they sent to me. So again, it is a monthly subscription. I signed up right at the end of March, and I just received these now. I think it took, let me check my calendar really quick so you guys can know. I'm also in Canada, and it is $14.95 a month. So I got it on, I subscribed on March 30th. So about 2.5 weeks it took to get to me. The only thing that sucked is because I signed up at the end of March, I was already renewed in April to get my next shipment. So if I don't like these, I do have more coming, but that's okay. Anyways, so if you're excited to see what I got sent, then just keep watching. Okay, so one of these is my mystery pop. I have no idea what it is. I'm just gonna quickly open them and we're gonna find out together. These things are really hard to open. Okay, I want you guys to see first. I don't know if you can see what it is. Oh, okay, so this is my pop for the month, and it came all in bubble wrap, which is really cool. And it's Yes by Wreck-It Ralph. I don't know if I thumbsed her up because I really only wanted Ralph, Vanellope, and Fix-It Felix. I think. I could be wrong, but anyways, this is who I got, which is really cool. It's in pretty much mint condition. I don't see any damage to the box. I will give you a close-up in a second, but this is really cool. It's not an exclusive or anything. It is just the regular one, but I'm actually pretty happy. So that was my pop for the month, which means this one should be, I think I got Minecraft or a zombie. I'm not too sure. When you sign up, there's a drop-down menu and you can pick what one you want. So I think I'm just gonna give this to my cousins. Yes, Minecraft. So I'm okay with that. It was free, but I did have to pay separate shipping for the free item. So I think it was like $3.99. Don't quote me on that. I'll leave it, like I'll have it on the screen. But I was sent Alex from Minecraft. I don't do Minecraft, so I don't know who these people are. I don't know like what the value of this would be, but it is just a regular Funko, and most likely I'll be giving this to my cousins or maybe my boyfriend's friend or something. So, but hey, I got a pop for free, so I think that's really cool. So these were the two pops that I got for the month of March. I do have April coming very soon. So if you guys did want to sign up for Pop in a Box, I will leave the link in the description box below, like I said, and I can also save you guys some money off with the coupon code. It is in the description box below. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxings, and if you guys maybe want me to upgrade and get some more pops next month, let me know down below in the comments. I hope you guys had a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!